Welcome to Pierce, Florida. Good morning. Today is our grandmother's birthday, so we're taking a road trip out to a small town called Pearson, Florida. Lots of land, beautiful day to fly this quad. It's gonna be my 5th time flying, and yeah, let's hope I didn't get stuck in a tree today. We have arrived to Meemaw's house. We have arrived.
Let's go.
Camo Carhartts, dirty ball cap, fresh can of Grizzly, bottle of Jack, shined up truck, bookmark tattoo. 18 cans in an old igloo. There's a bonfire burning up the Tennessee sky, and a pretty little thing that's making eyes. With this buck wild rebel child, loud and proud, jar tipping, getting tipsy on a drop tailgate. Windows down, crows cracked up loud, straight grinning with the sinners out here. Half baked, this field is gonna feel like a moonlit honky tonk starting now, with the girls getting down on the dirt road dance floor, hillbilly ballin' off the rural route. Hillbilly ballin', we keep it rockin' all night long. No, there ain't nothing wrong with some hillbilly ballin'. Come here, darling, I can tell you fallin' full of this hillbilly ballin'. Oh, here it goes.
I think I flattened the tire. Howdy, folks.
Chromed out buckle, countrified bling, dog tags hanging off an old 6-string, KC lights, Lou KC booze. This country boy be letting it loose. Now she's over there blowing me kisses. Come on, girl, you know you wanna get with this. Buck wild rebel child, loud and proud, jar tipping, getting tipsy on a drop tailgate. Windows down, crows cracked up loud, straight grinning with the sinners out here. Half baked, this field is gonna feel like a moonlit honky tonk starting now, with the girls getting down on the dirt road dance floor, hillbilly ballin' off the rural route. Hillbilly ballin', we keep it rockin' all night long. No, there ain't nothing wrong with some hillbilly ballin'.
Woo! That was awesome. I just love these woods. Come out here, set up targets and shoot the guns and rip away on the four-wheelers and dirt bikes and mud bogging. Definitely good times out here. We're about to head out. I'm gonna go to this spot on the small town rodeo over here. It's actually where I flew my very first drone, a DJI Phantom 1. Yeah, let's go check this out. But before that, gotta wish Grandma a happy birthday. Grandma, happy birthday!
Thank you.
Mwah. Always good times when we come see Grandma. All right, let's go. Love you, Grandma. All right. Time to head to that rodeo field and fly this last battery pack. You ready?
Ready.
All right. All right. We're out here in this field, the rodeo, some train tracks. I figured to get some shots. Hopefully a train would come. I actually grew up right over there where my grandmother had her house and my parents had their house right next door on the same piece of property, and had this all to ourselves. All right, let's get to flying. Yeah. All right, guys. Pearson, Florida. Did you get scared when I got close to you?
No, I'm not scared of anything.
Anything. I wish a train would have came. Ooh. Anyways, well, that can, of course, a train. And I don't have batteries for it. Darn. Crazy. I literally wanted a shot of the train, and right as my battery died, a train came, so I popped it back up for 20 seconds. Well, that concludes Pearson, Florida. Grandma's birthday.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful. All right, back to Orlando.